In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find duplicate photos on Samsung Gallery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Modern Samsung devices will automatically detect and group up duplicate pictures, so by using the Gallery or the Photos app, you will be able to find all of them and decide what to do. This can help you free storage space by deleting these duplicate pictures. So this is going to be done inside of My Files. Open My Files, and inside of here, go over to Analyze Storage. Once you choose Analyze Storage, it is going to do exactly what it suggests. It is going to scan everything on your device, including the Gallery app, and it is going to find duplicate files. This includes photos as well. So once you analyze the storage and you find these duplicate files, you can manage what to do with them. So tap on Duplicate Files either on the arrow or on the title, and you will see all of them here. At the left side of each of these photos, you will have a check mark that you can use to select them. So if you want to delete only the duplicate, select one of them and leave the other one intact, and then once you have every single duplicate that you want to delete selected, choose the delete option at the bottom. If you don't care about keeping the duplicate and the original, then you can select both, like in this example here. So choose whatever you want to do. You will see the location of both of the items, so you have the original picture and then the duplicate. You will see the title, the format, and how much it is taking up on your storage. Once you select everything, you can see it here at the top, and then choose the option to delete or see additional details about a specific file that you selected. It is simple to do, and all that you need to examine your gallery or the Photos app is to use the My Files app. So I hope I was able to help you on how to find these duplicate photos. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality solutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.